Before we get started, check out the description to find out how you can win a NanoLedger S. The Bitcoin price has been dancing around the closely watched 20,000 to 25,000 per Bitcoin level, while the Ethereum price came within a touching distance of $1,320 per Ether. Other top 10 cryptocurrencies such as Cardano have also lost ground after a brief rally through the first week of July. Sam Bankman-Fried had warned about a stark crypto crash, which poses as an indication that the coins may see further declines. So far, Cardano has been struggling to keep up, but is this the perfect time to declare its bottom? We will be going into that in today's video. Be sure to watch the video until the end to not miss a single thing. All thanks to his FTX exchange and Alameda research trading firm, Sam Bankman-Fried is one of the richest people in crypto. The Bethlehem of crypto, Bankman-Fried has built his operating philosophy on notions of effective altruism, as pioneered by Jeremy Bentham. He isn't just out to be the richest crypto billionaire, he is focusing on establishing a positive impact on the world. Bankman believes that the crypto winter isn't over yet, and several cryptocurrency exchanges have already ran out of cash. There are some third-tier exchanges that are already secretly insolvent. The 30-year-old's fortune has taken a significant cut this year as crypto crashed, but still sits at $8.1 billion. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, has lost 58% of its value in the second quarter of the year, setting it on pace for its worst quarterly performance since 2011. Bitcoin's crash led to the slide of the general cryptocurrency market, whose market valuation now sits at below $1 trillion, down from its November 2021 peak of more than $3 trillion. Cardano has turned out to be one of the worst hit assets as well. Yet, the question is of which token will become the next Bitcoin has filled the air. It is a question that every other cryptocurrency fan seems to have a varying answer to. For some like Mark Cuban, Ethereum is the natural successor, being by far the largest altcoin in the market. For others, it is Cardano, and even for a few, Dogecoin could be the breakout token. However, for Sam Bankman-Fried, the next king of cryptocurrencies is going to be Solana. He has not stopped talking about how Solana will soar in price and value. To determine the next market leader, one has to look at what it would take to bring the next billion people into cryptocurrencies. Bankman noted, for this to happen, the project must be able to process tens of millions of transactions per second. This could be Cardano, but the recent crypto crash has hit the coin and is currently in bad shape. Following Sam Bankman-Fried's making a stark crypto crash warning, the managing director and chairman of the Rockefeller International, Ruchir Sharma, has warned the Bitcoin price could see further declines over the next few months. I am not willing to call the market bottom as of yet on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Sharma stated, referring to previous bear markets going on for about a year and wiping out more stock market value. The US bear market regimen, which is the driver of risk appetite around the world, is still very much in play. The Bitcoin price has already shed 70% of its value but lost 90% during the bear market that saw Bitcoin top 20,000 for the first time in late 2017. Other major cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, and Solana have seen steeper declines than Bitcoin over the last few months. However, many traders and investors are hit with the quest of timing the bottom. Since it marks the lowest price in a given cycle, any price action that follows the bottom is a net positive. But trying to time the bottom, especially for Cardano, may be a fool's errand. The 2015 price bottom came after being held within a tight price range for a year, and the 2019 bottom came after 3 months of low volatility. Josh Olswis, head of research at crypto fund manager Valkyrie Investments, said, "Bottoms typically take time to form because the volume of buyers and sellers eventually comes to an equilibrium until demand overtakes supply," he added. The mid-2022 crash has been marked by a series of unsavoriness, such as the gigantic collapse of algorithmic stablecoin UST and the failure of several high-profile crypto companies. For the bottom to form, time needs to heal the anxious market sentiment. However, for now, it is dangerous to declare a bottom, and it's obviously not the next thing to do in this situation, specifically for Cardano. Cardano has rarely been seen splashy. Some have even called it boring. Even during the peak of the crypto craze, Cardano reached a high of just over $3. Time after time, it seems like Cardano has been late to the party whenever a rival blockchain such as Ethereum introduces a new innovation. Cardano could finally be on the cusp of delivering on its early promise and rewarding investors who take a long-term view. The big catalyst could be the Vassal hard fork or the Hydra upgrade that will make Cardano blockchain faster, more interoperable, and more secure. These upgrades will open up more opportunities for developers to build on top of the Cardano blockchain with new decentralized applications known as dApps. Cardano refers to Hydra Update as Layer 2 scalability solution, as pointed out by Charles Hoskinson. The new update is all about scalability and improving performance for more than 3 million unique wallets holding ADA. If everything goes according to plan, Cardano will theoretically be able to process more than 1 million transactions per second. By the way, of the fastest blockchain today, Solana can only handle about 65,000 to 70,000 transactions per second. A new world of possibilities is coming for Cardano, even amid the bad state of the crypto space. While blockchains such as Solana and Ethereum get all the attention when it comes to non-fungible tokens, Cardano now seems to be making a strong play to get in on more of the action. According to Hoskinson, NFTs are accounted to be a significant amount on the Cardano blockchain. The latest high-profile launch is a new, much-anticipated NFT collection from comedian and actor Martin Lawrence. Also, Cardano has absorbed its share of criticism of the pace of development that has seemed slow for some in the tech space. In part, this is due to the way that Cardano makes updates to its blockchain. At the heart of the Cardano network, it is an evidence-based software development process that is similar to an academic peer review process. This approach makes the development process slower, but also ensures that new software upgrades act as planned, which is for the good of everybody. Cardano does look like it is approaching the bottom, and it's just slow and steady, and in the end, it might win the race. While Cardano has seemingly lagged behind some developments, it will begin to build a stable momentum. Now, Charles Hoskinson has seen it all, since he had witnessed a handful of bear markets in the crypto space over the past decade. Bear markets are actually quite comfortable because they let you focus on getting the fundamentals right and building for the future, he said in an interview. To some investors, these are comforting words to hear in a market downturn. Once new upgrades are complete, Cardano just might end up being the safest crypto to hold in a bear market. But here's a good question. How can Cardano bottom when it's expecting the notable Vassal hard fork to launch on the mainnet very soon? Well, most importantly, Cardano's evidence-based approach has helped win the project a loyal fan base, and many enthusiasts see significant upside soon. If the price targets are inherently speculative and it lingers in the crypto market. Stocks have been around for centuries, but cryptocurrencies are a new asset class, and they don't generate revenue on profits like publicly traded companies. If ADA does hit $25 in 2025, as predicted by some investors, Cardano's market cap would exceed $830 billion. Only Bitcoin has ever achieved a higher valuation. However, Cardano promises much more utility than Bitcoin, and it's certainly possible for ADA to hit that price target. After all, meme tokens like Shiba Inu have generated much greater returns in much less time, and from all indications, Cardano has better advantages than them. Cardano is a really interesting blockchain project with a lot of potential, and this cryptocurrency could still be a rewarding long-term investment. Before Cardano can focus on becoming the next Bitcoin, it has to first edge out Ethereum and many other Ethereum killers. Bitcoin is the most valuable token, but its blockchain is rarely used for any application. But Cardano is the direct opposite. Utility and adoption have flooded the network, and with time, it will skyrocket to great highs. A bottom is not the next thing that is to be anticipated for Cardano, but its incredible potential to advance its network and the entire crypto space. But as always, we encourage you to share your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below, and make sure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons.